Today we have a door lock actuator we're replacing. This is a 2006 Ram 2500, but it's the same for about any 02 to 09 models. Alright, so we pulled our latch out. It's been making noise, but we found another issue here too. As you can see in the door wiring here, we have some broken wires. I'm going to make a couple of repairs here. There's another one that's cracked in here. We'll repair that as well. Then with the fresh latch and new wires, hopefully the squeak will be gone and the door will actually lock and unlock. Good times in to show you the new latch in there. We've got to do those 3 bolts here. As you saw me go in right there, that's how you tighten the rod in there for the adjustment for the door handle itself. 2 nuts for the handle. Of course, we had the speaker out to do the wire repair, which now, see our lock rod fell out of place here. So we're going to have to pull that back apart to fix that real quick. Alright, got that set back in there. Always a good idea to be sure everything actually works before you put it back together, so you don't wind up with that problem after you put the door on. Got it all done, back together. This one's ready to go.